Alright guys, hello everyone, good morning. It's weekend, so this is how we spend our weekend with my husband today. It's Saturday, so today's video we're going to the downtown Toronto, which is nandito kami guys sa trail going there. So we're on our bike ride. Magba-bike ride kami guys papunta doon, and this is how we spend our weekend today. All right, let's go. Ay, sakto pala, nauna na siya. All right. It's a very nice morning guys, kaya inagahan na namin dahil mamaya ay mag-31 degrees, feels 35 to 36, kaya maaga kami. Ayan, maraming nag-bike na. So andito kami guys sa west going Harbor Front, CN Tower, and maybe Woodbine Beach. Okay, so ito ang kasama ko, my buddy. I'm behind you. Alright, daming nagja-jogging, walking, and biking. Kunti pa lang kasi maaga pa, para maaga kami makabalik dahil may tawag nito, news na mag-hit alarm today. Hit alarm, kaya maganda pag-agahan natin para makauwi tayo o makabalik tayo ng maaga. So dito kami sa Humber, banda ng Humber River, and ipapakita ko guys sa inyo yung Humber Bridge. Maganda yun. Isa din doon ng that's one of our favorite stopover, kasi magandang magtambay doon, magpalamig, water break, and pahinga pag nagbike. So we'll see how busy downtown is today, because there's a lot of activities there. Merong Pinoy extravaganza pa? Pinoy extravaganza? Is it? Mag-bell tayo para ano nila na may tao sa likod. Alright. Today is the July 5th, 2025, Saturday. Medyo na busy kasi tayo, kaya hindi tayo nakapag-bike na. Marami nang pinagkakabisihan. Ayan, bakit? Alright, there you go. Dito nakarating ako nag-jogging noon. Doon, lampas pa ng bridge. So meron akong ipapakita na magandang spot. Karating ako doon dito noon na nag-jogging. Naka-jogging ako ng 12 kilometers na punta ako dito banda. Ako lang mag-isa. Thank you. Ayan, bababa. Whoa! Previous years, nakadami na kami ng July noon. First week ng July na nagbabike. Pero this year Saturday. Pero cancel, so yun, mag-bike na lang kami. Oh! Muntik kong nadalisan yung pato kanina. Ha? Nasaan yung green na ano mo? May just mo kasi. Mr. Green. Alright. We're going down the hill. Di ba ba? Ito na yung maraming puno. Ang ganda dito mag-stop over din. Isa rin dito na gustong gusto ko kasi malilim. Maraming kahoy. Nakikita mo green talaga lahat. And it's very nice. Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, oh, this is nice. Alright. So, dito guys, napakaganda. Tapos doon sa kabila na ay bridge. So, yan. Papakita ko guys sa inyo. Diba ang ganda? Super refreshing. May helicopter. Siyempre kasama ko ang mag-videohan ko. Yan. Paigid ka.
Good morning, Apay. Oh, Apay. Oh. Nya di ay? Apay. Baliktad. Nope. Looking awesome. Hey guys.
Hi,
good morning. You look great. Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Sukat tamlatan.
Hello, shout out guys. Shout out to all. So nandito kami sa Humber River, Humber Bridge. That is Humber Bridge and this is the Humber Trail. So we're going down the street or the trail. So makikita niyo yung high and low bridge. Shout out guys, thank you everyone. So we're going to downtown right now. This is our way going to downtown, and yeah, we'll see what is in there. Alright. Okay na ba ba?
Gusto lang. Gusto lang.
Alright, let's go. Oh, this month pala yung yes, so we cannot go there in the bridge, guys, with our bike. Kailangan babaha, dismount. Hindi pala pwede, nakalimutan ko. Kasi maraming naglalakad. And there's a dog there. Nice dog. Beautiful. Alright, so this is the bridge. This is the Humber Bridge or Humber River. Ang ganda. So ito ay merong high bridge and low bridge. I will show you guys later when I'm in the middle. Hindi kami pwedeng dito magpatakbo kasi kailangan babaan natin ang mga bike, otherwise mapapagalitan tayo kasi that's the rule. Ay, wala pang tao, wala pang katao-tao dito, guys. Oh, ayan, diba? So dyan ang bridge ito. I love this. The first time na narating ko itong bridge na to, I was so happy. Kasi hindi ko akalain, guys, na mararating ko. Dahil ito ay super layo sa amin. Nung nagbike kami ng 94 kilometers. Grabe. So yan ang high bridge, guys. Oh. Ayan, doon sa taas may high bridge yan. Yan ang high bridge. So ito ay river. Oh my God. People.
Sorry, he likes the left.
Sorry. Hello.
He likes the left.